Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can use Pinterest. This is 100% for beginners, so make sure that you watch until the end so you learn how to do this. Go open your Pinterest app and tap on the profile icon here. It's the saved icon. And you should be here on your page right now. As you can see, mine is totally blank. I have 0 saved or created pins. And if my profile looks something like yours, then what you'd want to do to add something to it is tap on either create or tap on the plus icon at the bottom. And then here you'd want to tap on board and just add a board name, anything you'd like. For example, travel ideas. And go on ahead and make this board a secret if you do not want any other people who are using interest to see your board. If you want to keep it to yourself first, then just tap that on and create. So here are Pinterest suggestions of what you can put into your board. Just scroll down and look for something that you'd like. For example, this one, the Paris one. And if I want that on my board, then just tap on the plus icon. So let's choose maybe 3 pins. And those will be automatically saved to your board. You can just come back to them anytime. Now, if you want to create idea pins, you can do so by tapping on create and tapping on idea pin. And here are videos or photos that you can choose from. And for example, this one, I chose this from my album. I can edit this by putting a text, dragging it anywhere, adding music to it. I can even voice over or put a sticker. So once you're settled and done, just tap on next. Add details to your title. And pick a board. Now, since this is according to fashion, let's just create another board and name it Men Fashion. Create. And then you can just publish it. So that pin will be uploaded to the board that we just created. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped. And if it did, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you get updated when we post new videos. I'll see you in the next one.